Have you ever wondered why some men seem to effortlessly attract women while others chase endlessly with no results? What if I told you that the secret lies not in the chase, but in embodying certain timeless principles? Today, we delve into the ancient wisdom of Stoicism to uncover 11 principles that will help you attract any woman without ever needing to chase her. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button, give a thumbs up and click the bell icon so you never miss out on our daily eye-opening videos. And if you find this video revealing, don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's dive in. Number 1. Mastering the art of presence. The first principle is to be fully present in the moment. When you are present, you exude an aura of confidence and calmness that is incredibly attractive. Women are drawn to men who are grounded and attentive, as it signals strength and stability. Practice mindfulness daily, focus on your breath, listen intently when others speak, and engage fully with your surroundings. This presence creates a magnetic field around you, making women feel valued and understood without you uttering a single word. To deepen your presence, consider incorporating meditation into your daily routine. Just a few minutes of mindful breathing each morning can set a tone of calm and awareness for the rest of your day. When you're out in social settings, avoid distractions like your phone and truly immerse yourself in the interaction. This level of engagement is rare in today's world and will set you apart from the rest. Number 2. Embracing impermanence. Stoicism teaches us to embrace the transient nature of life. Understand that relationships, like all things, are temporary. This mindset shift removes the desperation often felt in the pursuit of a woman. When you no longer cling to the outcome, you become more attractive. Women are drawn to men who are at peace with themselves and their circumstances. This acceptance of impermanence projects a sense of freedom and non-attachment, making you more desirable. Reflect on the concept of memento mori, a Stoic practice that involves contemplating your mortality. This isn't meant to be morbid, but rather to remind you of the fleeting nature of life and relationships. When you internalize that everything is temporary, you start valuing each moment more, and this detachment from outcomes makes your interactions more genuine and less pressured. Women can sense this authenticity and are drawn to it. 3. Cultivating inner virtue. True attraction comes from within. Cultivate virtues such as wisdom, courage, justice, and temperance. These inner qualities are far more appealing than superficial traits. Women seek partners who embody moral integrity and strength of character. Work on improving yourself daily, not for the sake of attracting others, but for your own growth. This internal transformation will naturally draw women towards you. Engage in daily reflection or journaling to assess your actions and decisions. Ask yourself if you lived up to your virtues and where you can improve. This continuous self-improvement journey not only enhances your character, but also radiates a sense of purpose and discipline. When women see a man who is committed to his personal growth and ethical standards, they see someone worth investing in emotionally. 4. Practicing self-discipline. Self-discipline is a cornerstone of Stoicism. Control over your desires and impulses sets you apart. Women are attracted to men who have control over their emotions and actions. This control signals maturity and reliability. Engage in regular self-discipline practices, whether it's through exercise, diet, or mastering a new skill. This discipline reflects in your demeanor and interactions, making you irresistibly attractive. Implement a structured routine in your life. Set goals and stick to them, even when it's challenging. This consistency not only builds your self-esteem, but also showcases your ability to commit and follow through. Women appreciate men who are reliable and can maintain control in their lives, as it suggests they can also be dependable partners. 5. Embodying tranquility. Inner peace and tranquility are incredibly attractive traits. Women are drawn to men who remain calm and composed in the face of adversity. Practice Stoic exercises such as negative visualization, where you contemplate worst-case scenarios to build resilience. This practice helps you maintain your tranquility, even in challenging situations. Your ability to remain calm under pressure is a magnet for attraction. Beyond negative visualization, consider incorporating breathing exercises and other stress relief techniques into your daily life. When faced with a stressful situation, take a moment to breathe deeply and center yourself. This calm and measured response not only benefits you, but also creates a sense of safety and stability that women find incredibly appealing. 6. Demonstrating Stoic courage. Courage in the face of fear is a powerful attractor. Women admire men who take bold actions and face challenges head-on. Stoic courage isn't about being fearless, it's about acting despite fear. Whether it's standing up for what you believe in or taking a leap of faith, demonstrating courage signals strength and confidence. This trait is deeply appealing to women as it assures them of your capability to protect and provide. Take on challenges that push you out of your comfort zone regularly. This could be in your career, personal life, or even social interactions. By consistently facing your fears and uncertainties, you build a track record of resilience and bravery. Women respect and admire men who are not deterred by obstacles and who can face life's adversities with a steadfast heart. 7. Practicing non-reactivity. One of the most profound Stoic principles is the practice of non-reactivity. Do not be swayed by external events or other people's opinions. Women are drawn to men who maintain their composure and do not react impulsively. This non-reactivity shows emotional stability and self-mastery. Practice pausing before responding in any situation, reflecting on your thoughts and actions. This deliberate non-reactivity is a hallmark of Stoic strength and an attractive quality. Develop the habit of observing your thoughts and emotions without immediate judgment or reaction. When you feel triggered, take a step back and analyze why you are feeling that way before responding. This practice not only prevents unnecessary conflicts, but also demonstrates a level of emotional intelligence and control that women find immensely attractive. 8. Embracing authenticity. Be true to yourself. Authenticity is rare and highly attractive. Women can sense when a man is genuine and comfortable in his own skin. Embrace your flaws and vulnerabilities. They make you human and relatable. Stoicism encourages us to accept ourselves fully, without pretense. By being authentic, you create a deeper connection with others, drawing women to you naturally. Share your true thoughts and feelings, even if they seem unconventional or vulnerable. Authenticity builds trust and deeper connections. When women see that you are not trying to be someone you're not, they feel more comfortable and connected. This authenticity is a breath of fresh air in a world full of facades and pretenses. 9. Cultivating patience. Patience is a virtue that is often overlooked but highly valued. Women are attracted to men who are patient and not in a rush to achieve results. This patience reflects a deep understanding of life's natural rhythms. Practice patience in all aspects of your life, from personal goals to relationships. This calm and steady approach is highly attractive, as it shows you are in control and not desperate. In your interactions with women, demonstrate patience by allowing the relationship to develop naturally. Avoid rushing into commitments or pressuring for immediate responses. This patient approach shows confidence and security in yourself and the relationship's potential. Women appreciate this level of respect and understanding, making them more drawn to you. Number 10. Demonstrating emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence, the ability to understand and manage your emotions, is a key Stoic principle. Women are drawn to men who can navigate their own emotions and empathize with others. Practice active listening, show empathy, and be aware of your emotional triggers. This emotional intelligence allows for deeper, more meaningful connections, making you more attractive. Develop your emotional intelligence by regularly reflecting on your interactions and identifying areas for improvement. Practice empathy by truly listening and trying to understand the perspectives and feelings of others. This ability to connect on an emotional level creates a deeper bond and makes you more attractive as a partner. Number 11. Living with purpose. Finally, live with purpose. Women are attracted to men who have a clear sense of direction and purpose in life. This purpose gives you a sense of fulfillment and drives you forward. Reflect on your values and passions and align your actions with them. This purposeful living not only makes you more attractive, but also brings a profound sense of satisfaction and meaning to your life. Identify your core values and set long-term goals that align with them. Pursue your passions with vigor and dedication. This sense of purpose not only enriches your life, but also radiates a magnetic energy that attracts others. Women are drawn to men who have a vision for their lives and are actively working towards it, as it signifies ambition and stability. In conclusion, these 11 Stoic principles are not just strategies to attract women. They are ways to elevate your life to a higher plane of existence. By embodying these principles, you become a beacon of strength, wisdom, and tranquility. Women are naturally drawn to this inner power, and you'll find that the need to chase becomes obsolete. Embrace these timeless teachings, and you will attract not just women, but all the good things life has to offer. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of Stoic wisdom. If you found this video valuable, please subscribe, like, comment for more profound insights into the art of living. Remember, true attraction starts from within. Until next time, live wisely and attract effortlessly.